Designers from Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and they visit not very often in Ahmedabad, but they are here at Beyond Gallery for 3 days, 17th, 18th, and 19th of February. Do not miss this show if you want some unique pieces in kalamkari, some linen, festive wear, and some beautiful sarees at the best price range. So do visit here. And अगर collection देखना है तो swipe left.
These are the hand painted dresses.
Correct.
On Kala cotton. These are hand applique and embroidered kurtas on silk. Have the same version in cotton and ikat.
Okay.
These are the new cowl kaftans. Color options available.
Yep.
These are my cowl dresses
Beautiful.
in muslin and silk.
All right.
Ombre shaded.
Very pretty. And then we have a collection of
And this is, we have
Jewelry also.
handcrafted wooden jewelry,
yes.
cloth fabric jewelry, and all single pieces in that.
All right.
And this is my fusion wear collection. Mainly modal. One size fits all, but very flattering silhouettes.
Yep.
I have them in ajrak. Cowls in the front.
Right.
These are very nice for your trousers and denim.
These are some hand painted tussar silk sarees. Look at that. And ये पूरा sequence.
सीक्वेंस में है, मसलिन के साथ में गीचा।
गीचा, okay. Beautiful. Similarly ये भी एक है. इसके अंदर पूरा weave हुआ है. Okay. इसमें भी color options है. ये है linen.
ये लिनन गीचा।
Linen गीचा.
ये तसर एंड जामदानी।
तसर with जामदानी. पैटर्न
कांजीवरम।
कांजीवरम. Wow. Beautiful. Okay.
और टिश्यू साड़ी।
Tissue sarees.
एंड कोरा सिल्क बनारसी।
Kora silk Banarasi.
फोर कलर्स।
This is brand Kara Couture label. Let me show you few options in blouses. Look at these. The sequence के साथ है. Then we have patola blouses. Nice back brocade के साथ. Something in beige.
फैब्रिक खादी है।
खादी फैब्रिक. और इनके ब्लाउजेस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं 2500 से बिकॉज दे हैव एन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट.
होलसेल
prices है.
होलसेल सप्लाई।
वाह ब्यूटीफुल.
फिटिंग इज वेरी नाइस। ऑल डिफरेंट डिफरेंट।
लुक एट दैट. कलमकारी के साथ काम भी किया हुआ है. समथिंग इन ब्लैक.
हैंडवर्क।
These are short tops which can be worn like blouses, short jackets, or shirts individually. Various multiple color options.
Okay.
And these are bamboo linen with placement block printing. One size fits all again, and a lot of color options. And these are the more contemporary dress style modal dresses. Modal shirts, placement block printing.
Yeah. Check these out. So they have some short kurtas or
We have
shorts.
nice blouses and the kurtis too. Check out the cutworks here. And something I'm wearing too also.
Perfect.
And we have a variation in grey color
Okay, one more
too.
color.
And very nice simple top, but see the laces at the back. They are very pretty ones.
Yeah.
We do have some nice cord sets. See the cord sets with a nice contrast embroidery.
Right.
And in these we have the pants also, linen pants embroidered. Embroidered
Okay.
linen pants.
Very nice.
And we have nice free size tops also. So you can go for these. And we have nice multicolors.
Floral.
These are also the plain ones, but nice elegant ones in pure mulls and cottons.
Okay.
Cord sets. Hi Ahmedabad, I am from Delhi, Pehchan, and we have got some nice festive wear also this time for your holy requirements. Nice holy colors, beautiful with the brocades, and chanderis with badla. See the different things. Then something we have in subtle cut works also. Nice festive wear, dark colors, light colors in chanderis. Check out these.
Beautiful. These are super pretty ones. And your
And
range
if you want
starts.
some nazar pattus, we have got the black ones too.
Okay. For all the black lovers.
So a lot of colors we have. We have got lots and pots of color variations this time. And we've got beautiful anarkalis too in different variations with CDs.
Wow, look at the color. Tussar silk kaftans. Look at that. Easy breezy, nice. Something for festive season. Beautiful. Sath hi sath they have some party wear sarees also. Look at that. This is one of my favorites. Very pretty piece. Floral mein. Banarsi. Parsi work. Kalamkari with work. Some stunning options.
Hi, this is Sanjay from Bangalore, Brand Desires, back in Ahmedabad again after a 4-month period. Carrying a new collection with us, my USP Kalamkaris, the new shirts with applique, my statement dhotis unisex, which you can wear in 8 different styles.
Yes.
Got it in 5 different colors this time. And a lot of fusion wear dresses. Very comfortable for your weather. These are full Kalamkari.
Wow. Beautiful.
And everything can be home washed.
Okay.
This is one of my best sellers. Overlap, you can wear it both ways.
Okay.
Front and back.
Okay.
And these are my traditional jackets. Just to wear with denims,
Lovely.
t-shirts, short dresses. Got multiple options in that. In Kalamkari, in Modal, Shibori,
Wow,
and Kota.
that's pretty, very pretty.
And I can customize on size.
Okay.
Lot of shirts for the guys this time. Kanta shirts.
Patterns too. Look at these. Look at the orange color. And a nice fluorescent green, much in fashion these days. Lots. The purple. Purple is also very nice. And plus in a different pattern, we do have this green also.
And then
And of course, off-whites are there.
Up.
Of course, our favorite off-whites are always there in everything.
Beautiful. And let me show you their collection of only pants right
Yeah,
here.
these are the linen pants we have in Cutworks.
Yeah.
We have straight cuts, we have tapered cuts, then we have the boot cuts. We have different cuts. And then we have nice fusion cuts also. Like you can check out these. These are very smart ones for the summer wears. And like whites and creams.